Mr. Morgan.
Herr Strauss.
How are you?
About how I look.
Okay. Are you perhaps available for some work?
Debtors?
Yes.
I guess.
Your commitment to your duties is admirable. You know, Mr. Morgan, you're... Well, I'm sorry for you. No, never mind. I didn't...
Look, Strauss.
You take care.
I ain't dead yet.
No, of course not. That's what I was saying.
The debtors, Strauss. Who owes you money?
Well, there's a deserter from Fort Wallace. Head to him first. They're looking for him out on the road near Three Sisters. Man's name is J. John Weathers.
J. John Weathers.
Then there's a miner over in Annisburg. He's called Arthur. Like you.
Huh.
Arthur Londonderry. Family man, desperate. You know the type.
Couldn't one of the boys do this?
I tried. They lacked your... vigor.
Vigor, huh? All right.
Take care, Mr. Morgan.
Please.
J. John Weathers.
They call me Snow Goose now.
Whatever they call you. You borrowed money off of Leopold Strauss. The bill's come due.
This ain't the best time, sir.
This ain't the best time for anyone.
Mr. Strauss knew it was a long-term proposition.
The debt is due.
Okay. I got supplies meant to last through the winter. You can take them. Just... Is there any way you can help me? I stay out here, there won't be anyone to pay you.
I ain't here to help. I'm here to collect. We're all of us up against it.
Look, there's men after me. They're killers. I ain't a deserter, just an objector. It ain't right. If there was another way than running, I need your help.
Shut up.
Please.
Up here, it's him.
It's too late.
Form up, we shoot on sight.
I clear off, sir.
Ah, shit. Well, seeing as I'm here, I'll do what I can for you.
Blow your head off.
It's all right, my darling. You can come out.
Probably should have helped you fix the damn wagon.
We could probably still save something.
Really now?
Look, you can take this silver locket for the debt.
Damn the debt. Just get her somewhere safe. Go on.
Thank you, fella. You know, there ain't enough kindness in this world, that's for sure. But you...
I don't know nothing about kindness.
All right there. You got any business at the mine?
I'm looking for an Arthur Londonderry. I was told he works here.
Londonderry? Oh, you'll want to speak to the foreman. He's down in the pit.
Arthur Londonderry. Is he here?
I'm sorry, feller, but you're too late. Arthur's dead.
The man's dead. What's wrong with you?
Oh, boy, you can't exactly beat it out of him now, can you? You might get something off his widow just across from Butcher's Creek, but I'd hurry. You ain't gonna be the only one a-knocking.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
Hey, I ain't the godforsaken moneylender.
On your way now.
That's enough lingering. Move along.
Biggest woe in this job before.
Yep. You done good, girl. Yeah. Shh, girl. There, girl.
We got that cousin killing some bitch. Take him.
Easy now. Yeah.
You gonna pack all your stuff, Angel?
I don't want to go.
It'll be an adventure.
I don't want an adventure. I want my daddy.
Be brave, sweet Angel. Be brave.
Fine.
Mrs. Londonderry.
Arthur's dead.
I know. I'm sorry for it. It's just... we lent Arthur some money, you see, and...
So it was you. You son of a bitch. What do you want now? You want my boy's shoes? You want the food out of our bellies, what little there is? You want me to lie down for you?
No, no,
Arthur gave everything to pay your bills. Everything. And now there's some fellas coming to take the house. There ain't nothing left, mister.
I just wanted to say the debt's canceled and to... Here, take this. It won't bring your husband back, I know. You need money and I don't.
Well, you're a good man. I just wish you'd done it before he worked himself into the grave. But you know, maybe you and your friend that lent him the money could do things differently. Like not threaten a man. Excuse me.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I really am. fast. Hey there, girl. Oh, I'm sorry, girl. Nice job. Here, eat some of this. Yeah. Yeah. You done good, girl.
Hold up! Who is it?
Arthur, you dumbass.
You can tell me later.
Mr. Morgan, you don't look very well.
I'm not, Reverend. I fear I'm pretty sick.
I'm so sorry.
You seem well, on the other hand.
Yes, I've stopped all that silly business. I think I'm okay.
Well, that's wonderful news. How?
I don't know. I met a Catholic lady, a nun, and we prayed, and it was lifted. The curse was lifted.
Good.
I can't believe it. Really, I can't. All those years I wasted.
Well, don't give up on everything just yet.
Certainly.
Hey,
Ah, how did you get on, Mr. Morgan?
just Danny. Just... get up.
What?
Get up!
What is wrong?
Nothing's wrong. Nothing at all.
What are you doing?
Something I should have done a long time ago. Get your bag. Is this it?
I don't understand.
I ain't gonna kill you, though I probably should. You disgust me. And you shame us. If we could be shamed any more than we already are, that should do. Go!
I don't understand you. What are you doing?
Go and get a job!
You know, they say the sick delude themselves. I was your friend.
You and me, we ain't decent. But those folk, they was. Now here, take that. Take that and get lost.
I'm
Leaving. Bill.
Morgan.
You all right? What's wrong?
Like you don't know?
We're all in this together.
Whatever, Morgan.
Hey, Tilly.
Hello.
You doing all right?
What is going on with you all? You're acting like children.
We're trying to work it out.
Okay, then.
What, Micah?
Morgan.
I see what you're up to.
And what's that, Morgan?
Just know I'm watching you.
I don't really care.
Hey, Dutch. Arthur, why are you letting Micah get in your ear?
There's no need to be jealous, Arthur.
I'm just trying to work out what's going on here. Run along now. Hi, Uncle.
Mr. Morgan?
How are you doing?
I ain't doing so good.
Uh-huh.
You betcha.
Hi, Javier.
Hey, Micah.
Hey there.
What's wrong?
What happened to loyalty, Arthur?
I keep asking myself the same question.
Sure, Arthur.
Hey, Karen.
Oh, hey.
Why don't you lay off the bottle for a bit?
Why don't you lay off me?
I'm only concerned.
Yeah.
Hi, Susan.
Hi.
You okay, Susan?
All those years and look at us. It's pathetic.
I know. Just ain't sure what to do.
Yes.
It's all over. All over. I don't want to die. Not like this, not... I don't want that. I don't... You... It's all so sad, Mr. Morgan. So very sad. I don't know.
I know things seem bad.
We're gonna die here.
Don't give up just yet. Well, try to keep your head straight.
Well, sure.
Charles?
Hello?
Miserable around here, ain't it?
Sure is.
Almost makes me miss the Murphys.
Yeah.
Tilly?
Arthur?
Oh, hey, Arthur. What you want, Micah?
Nothing. I'm just being civil, my brother.
Well, hello then.
You really are a very charming man, aren't you?
Okay. Guess I'll leave you to it then.
All right then, cowpoke.
Hi there, Jack.
Hi.
You okay?
Can I go play with the skulls?
No. Just stay away from that cave.
Sure, Uncle Arthur.
Howdy! Hello!